Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to log into our Bankura University student account. So let's get started. So if you want to log into your Bankura University student account, what you can do is just open up a browser, and after opening up a browser in search bar you can search for student login Bankura University. And after searching for that option, now you can tap on the second option which says student login. And after tapping on student login, now you can enter your username and password. So just simply enter your student username and password. So after entering your student username and password, just tap on login. And after tapping on login, you will successfully log into your Bankura University. But if you have forgotten your password, what you can do is just easily reset or recover your password by tapping on forgot or reset password. And by doing that, you can create a new password, and after creating a new password, just come back to this login page and then enter the new password that you have created. After entering the new password that you have created, tap on login, and after tapping on login, you will successfully log into your Bankura University account. So that's it guys, this is how to log into your Bankura University student account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.